Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make the famous Dalgona coffee that everyone's been making at home since they've been bored at home because of quarantine. The ingredients that you will need is 2 tablespoons of hot water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and then you'll need milk later for the end. So first you're going to start off by putting in your 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder. Next, I'm going to take my sugar and put that in, 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to take the hot water and put that in as well. Okay, so the next step is to actually whip your coffee, and I'm going to move all of my other ingredients to the side before I do that. I'm going to be using this electronic whisker because it's a lot faster when I use this, but if you don't have this at home, you can just use a normal whisker like this, and it'll take you about 10 minutes if you use the manual whisker. I'm going to mix this for about 4 minutes until it becomes frothy and fluffy. Okay, so I think it's done now because it's become really thick and it's changed color and become lighter. So I think we're ready to add the milk in to a separate cup. Okay, so I filled my cup with ice, and now I'm going to pour the milk until the glass is 3/4 full. The final step is to add your mixture on top of the milk. If you want it stronger, you can definitely add more, but I'm going to keep it a little bit light. Okay guys, so I finished making the coffee, and it was actually super easy, and you should have all the ingredients at home, and it's a really fun activity to do as well. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please let me know if you like the recipe, and let me know how it tastes as well down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!